Custom Keto Diet is a carefully designed program to help millions of people struggling with their weight. Despite the popularity of the keto diet, majority of people are unable to create a diet plan on their own because they can't calculate their micro and macro calories. Custom Keto Diet offers individual meal plans using information such as age, current weight, gender, daily activity level, and dietary preferences. The problem with conventional diet plans is that they are not descriptive, so it is hard for beginners to understand them. Many of them share no information on portion size, alternative food choices, or set unrealistic goals, which lead to nothing but disappointment. In addition to this, they fail to consider independent variables such as age, sex, weight, which are essential to design any weight loss plan. For all these reasons, the users get confused, demotivated, and end up losing no weight at all. That's why Custom Keto Diet Plan is here to help people planning to lose weight and get into a perfect shape, without any problem. What is a Custom Keto Diet Plan? In simplest words, Custom Keto Diet Plan is an 8-week-long diet plan which helps the users to achieve their target weight. This diet plan is individually designed for every user considering all variable factors to address for losing weight. Keto diet is probably the most popular weight loss diet these days, but due to its complex fat, carbs, and protein calculations, people often find it hard to design a customized diet plan as per their body needs. They end up going to dietitians, which is not only expensive but also requires follow-up visits for months, which somehow bound them. But as Custom Keto Diet Plan is here, there is no need to spend lots of money on something hard to keep up later. Just by sitting at home, every user can now access easy-to-follow and simple keto diet chart based on modifiable factors. Who needs a diet plan when there is information already available? As keto diet is a highly effective weight loss diet, hundreds of websites share information about it. It is normal to question why is a customized diet plan needed when almost everything is available online for free. T-Plan addresses both these issues, which is why losing weight with a diet plan is better. How does the Custom Keto Diet Plan help? To understand this, let's first understand the difference between a standard diet plan and a customized diet plan. A typical weight loss plan gives a general overview of a diet, but a customized plan like Custom Keto Diet offers a diet plan as per individual needs, preferences, and goals. That's why customized diet plans are better, easier to follow, and produce better results. It considers many parameters such as weight objectives, food likings, disliking, lifestyle, activity level, and current weight. As a result, the weight loss plan that it creates pretty much sum up all these factors and addresses the weight loss goal better. But designing a weight loss plan is difficult, time-consuming, and maybe unclear to many people. But if someone else is doing it for you, what's better than that? The 8-week weight loss plan offered by Custom Diet Keto carefully picks the food ingredients that users like. Based on current weight, age, sex, and body measurements, it creates a keto-friendly diet plan that is easy to follow. The meals that it offers do not require any professional expertise to prepare. The ingredients used in these meals are simple and commonly available. There is no extra expenditure on buying fancy, expensive food items if you follow the Custom Keto Diet Plan. And the results are evident within 8 weeks of following it. In addition to weight loss, each user receives insightful information about food types, sources, and eating patterns in the form of ebooks, which help to make the dieting experience even better. What's inside this plan? Inside every Custom Keto Diet meal plan, there are simple food recipes prepared with keto-friendly dietary sources. Not to confuse, Custom Keto Diet only provides a diet plan and doesn't actually prepare and send the food. The 8-week program contains recipes that contain a weight-friendly amount of carbohydrates, proteins, and fat. These diets trigger the body into ketosis, and the body starts losing weight on its own. There are no supplements or exercise needed. However, those who have an active lifestyle or follow any light to moderate physical activity lose more weight than others. Side effects of Custom Keto Diet. Custom Keto Diet Plan is getting a highly positive response from the users. Almost all of them were able to see a drastic change in their weight and body measurements. Based on a scientifically proven ketogenic diet, there are few undesirable effects to show up. In addition to this, it brings faster results and doesn't require starving its user from delicious foods, which is why people are more inclined to try it. Get Custom Keto Diet on a limited discount offer. Click here before the offer expires. Benefits of following Custom Keto Diet Plan. It is a quick weight loss plan that is best for an upcoming occasion, big day, or to shed vacation's weight. It is based on a scientifically proven method and uses only healthy food sources. A step-by-step guide on weight loss explaining how to achieve the target weight. It gives a complete list of foods to select as per personal likings. An accurate diet plan is based on every user's micro-calories and macro-calories. A complete grocery list for shopping that can be downloaded. Another option for extra customization. It is best for people looking for more weight to shed or have underlying conditions that may affect their weight loss. How to get your Custom Keto Diet Plan. This 8-week Custom Keto Diet Plan can be ordered from the official website directly. Early birds will receive a special discount. It costs much less than any diet plan that is given by a dietitian in person. Plus, the discount makes it even more affordable. Buying it online gives instant access to the plan, grocery list, and guidelines. It means you can start your weight loss journey right away. Custom Keto Diet Reviews. Conclusion. Overall, the Custom Keto Diet Plan appears to be a simple, straightforward, and easy approach based on scientific evidence on keto weight loss. It addresses all problems that may hinder weight loss. Most people can see a difference in their weight within 8 weeks. However, they can repeat it or ask for further customization if they want to proceed with it. The Custom Keto Diet Plan is a good value for your hard-earned money. For this price, it is not something to be missed. Get your Custom Keto Diet Plan at a discounted price today.